This is question number 30, and we are told on the line drawn below, construct a robust PQRS of side 5 centimeter in which angle PQR is equals to 60 degrees. Draw the diagonals PR and QS to intersect at O. So we have been given our line here. What is the length of PQ? Okay. Now, a robust is a four-sided figure with a pair of parallel lines. This line is parallel to that. This line is parallel to that. In this case, we are told, okay, this is our Q and this is our R. So this is PQRS. So this angle, we are told it is 60. The sides are 5 centimeter. So what you are being tested here is whether you know how to construct angle 60. To construct angle 60, we use a geometrical instrument. We are going to use a ruler and a compass. To construct an angle of 60, what we do is that we know we have a triangle known as equilateral triangle, whose sides are equal and the angles are 60. That's an equilateral triangle. So we use this idea or this principle to help us construct the angle of 60. So with that in mind, I'll use a protractor here, and I'll be able to construct. So you take a protractor, you make a mark here. Put your compass there and you make a mark here. So that's a mark. Okay, now draw another mark here, and you shift your compass to this other point, and you use that point again to make another mark here. So what this means is that the distance from here to here is the same as distance from here to here. They are the same. So if we join those 3 points, then it becomes an equilateral triangle. So using a ruler, you can now construct your line. You place your ruler there. Then with your ruler there, then you are able to draw a line that will pass there. At the same time, you can use that line to mark 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeter is there. So with that, now what you do is, so what that means is that this angle here now is 60 degrees. You can draw a line that is parallel to this, or you can still draw an angle of 60 here, and then measure 5 centimeter to join. So what you do is we use a ruler again to extend this line so that we are able to construct angle 60, and with that we can now bring in our compass here and place the mark there. Not that is a drawing part. So once you place it there, we can now make a mark here. Let me make it smaller. We can make a mark here. Now again we can make another mark here. We make another mark, then you shift your compass here, and you make another mark here like that. So we have now So if we join this line to pass through that mark, then we have made an angle of 60. So you place your ruler there and draw a line that passes through that point. So that is where the line will pass, and you now draw your line like that. So with that, we can now, okay, at the same time, we can mark where we have 5 centimeter. It is that point. So with that, we can now, again, now we have a point where the line we have identified as 5 centimeter. Then we join the 2 points. So we can now join that point. Again, we can now be able to, when you are using your geometrical set, you should be faster. Using the computer is a bit tedious, so I can join that again so that I come up with my robust. So let me adjust this. So with that, we can now have our, that is our robust, and we can label that. So this is where we have said this is P, this is PQRS, PQRS, PQRS. And then you are supposed to draw the diagonals. So using a ruler still, let's draw the diagonal. Let's draw these diagonals. So I'll place my ruler there, and I'll be able to join those 2 points, and that will give me that diagonal. Again, I join the other 2 points, that is P and R, to come up with the other diagonal. So those are the 2 diagonals that you come up with. Okay, with that, we can now be able to see what we are. Okay, we are told that the 2 diagonals intersect and Q, O the lattice, and what is the length of PO? So we measure this. So still using a ruler, we can be able to determine the length of P. Yes, you can see now the length of PQ is here, it is 2.5. So that is how you do that. And looking at the answers, can see it's not 8.6, not 5. The correct answer is D, 2.5 centimeter. And that's how you go about that. I hope you have followed. Using the computer is a bit technical, so you should move faster when you are using your geometrical set.